Hi everyone, my name is Julie and welcome to Sevaexperience. This is my neighbour Kiki.
Hi, I'm Kiki.
And we are currently in Dubai and we're staying home and we are making some natural beauty products at home. So I'm going to make this amazing body scrub and it's all natural, it's vegan, chemical free, and I'm just using some ingredients from my cupboards literally. I got the recipe from Sister & Co. This amazing book, which I'm loving right now, and it's keeping me occupied, entertained, and really inspired. So yeah, really love that. I'm not sure what a zest is, so Kiki's gonna help me out. She's gonna zest this orange. I'll leave that to the chef. Kiki is the chef at Seva Table, which is an amazing vegan plant-based restaurant in Dubai, and I love it so much. She's amazing.
So what are we gonna do?
So for this scrub, we are going to use the coffee that we had left over from our coffee this morning, because we use French press because we're quite posh. Not instant, but you don't have to, like, you can use anything that's left over. So this was left over and I was like, let's use it because coffee is amazing for stimulating the skin. And when you put it on your body, like if you have any cellulite, I don't particularly care about cellulite, but it's really good for your circulation.
Because it stimulates the circulation.
Yes.
In the body, so
Gets
and
the
it's
blood flowing.
anti-aging also.
Very anti-aging.
Proper anti-aging.
You could use a tiny bit on your face if you're not too sensitive, but I'm just going to use it on my body.
Okay.
So this is how much we had left. If we had more, it would be great. So I'm going to pour this all in.
Do you want this spoon?
Yeah, I think I'll need a spoon. Thank you. This is going to be just divine. Really get rid of all that dead skin. And yeah, have a nice pamper, which you should do when we're staying home. And then I'm going to mix it with some almond oil. If you have olive oil or sunflower oil, you can also use that, or any oil that you have. I'm going to use 3...
avocado oil, lavender oil, any oil.
Lavender oil.
Okay.
Walnut oil, which I saw in your cupboard, and I was like, wow, that's exotic. I'll just use the same spoon.
Yep.
I'm just going to do 3 spoons. So this is very moisturising. Almond is really good for the skin, for moisturising. I love using it. And
that is good for any kind of skin?
As long as you don't have nut allergies.
Okay. If I have nut allergy,
If you have nut allergies, then yeah, stay away. And then I'm gonna add some oats. I've already prepared some just porridge oats. I'm gonna add this into here. That's 3 tablespoons. So I'm just gonna, yeah.
I help you.
Thank you.
And it can be any kind of oat because you have the broken ones that for this kind of is
anyone
you have at home.
So as you can see, it's getting much thicker now. And this is, sometimes people use sugar, but sometimes I find that's too harsh. This is going to be, I'm going to actually put
a little cacao powder. Also can be in our substitute.
Cacao powder is amazing as well. Very stimulating.
Basically, you try to use whatever is at home. So you can play around with what you find.
Yeah, you can mix, lots of different things.
Don't be scared.
No. Be creative. Yeah. This is the time. And then I'm next going to add some spearmint oil. I'm an essential oil, obsessed with it. So I have a lot to choose from. But you can use anything. You can use lavender, or what else? We could use the orange to give it some, scent. And orange is beautiful, to awaken the skin. It goes really nice with the cacao, if you have cacao, or coffee.
Grapeseed oil is really good.
Oh, okay. Nice.
I like grapeseed oil, gives me refreshing my skin and it's very good. And tea tree oil.
Tea tree oil.
Yes,
that's
tea tree
amazing
oil
as well.
Super good for the skin.
It's
and it smells
yeah, and it's like a natural antibacterial oil that you can use in your body. So yeah, I'm gonna add 10 drops of spearmint because it's like peppermint. It's very stimulating, and that's what we want to do. when you're scrubbing, like it's really stimulate.
Okay. Yeah, we
the
want to activate the
body.
circulation in
Yeah.
our body.
Have a smell? It's good, right?
Mm-hmm.
And that's going to go really well with
How
the
much do you
coffee.
put?
10.
This size.
I did
Okay.
lose count a little bit. I think that's 10. But I mean, be creative. You can just see how you go. Like, I'm going to give it a little stir. And I think that needs a little bit more oil.
Oh, yeah, okay.
So, I mean, you just got to play around sometimes. So I'm going to add one. That was like one more. That's good. Yeah. You want to get it so it's dry, but a little bit of moisture in there.
Let's show to them so they see. Yes.
And then, yeah, if we want, we can add a little bit of orange zest, which I will leave to you. Yeah, I think this is going to really bring all the smells together, like the coffee with the orange and the peppermint. It's going to be really good.
And the orange, do you know for what it's good for?
It's uplifting, and I think all three really work together. It's a nice smell because it's going to smell like chocolate, like a chocolate bar, and that's where you want things that you put in your body. You want to be like, oh, I could eat that. That's what it should be like.
That is what's in my mind. That I don't put anything in my face that I cannot eat it. So I want that.
Yes. So yeah, it's
And
chemical free. When you're in the shower or in the bath, it's hot, all your pores open, so you want good stuff to go in, no chemicals, and this is what we've made.
And it's very good.
So I would probably eat that. Yeah, definitely.
Later we can do a cooking with it.
Yeah, 100%. So yeah, this is going to be amazing to rejuvenate your skin and really brighten it, and it's going to be like wow. And it's just made from the kitchen cupboard.
And then just to be clear, I will apply like a scrub, and then I will keep it a little bit on me. Or
yeah, you can leave it for like 2-3 minutes.
Yeah, so I apply, I do something in the toilet, and then
yeah, definitely. And switch the water off to save the water. Yeah, that's it.
Thank you. Thank you,
See you.